I watched the latest videos from popular crypto YouTubers and turned them into one massive battle between bears and bulls. They'll battle it out in 3 rounds: short-term forecast, technical and cyclical analysis, and long-term outlook. Let's see whose arguments prove more convincing.
I do not yet think that the low here can be considered a durable bottom.
I am currently in $30,000 in profit on my Bitcoin short position.
When Bitcoin is at $1 million, you won't care if you bought at 50K or 60K or like 80K.
I think there is a higher probability Bitcoin drops here.
We remain bearish until proven otherwise.
Someone just opened a massive 40x, $14.9 million short on Bitcoin.
Round 1. Short-term outlook. Crypto Rover is doubling down on his bearish stance, despite $30,000 in profit. He sees the current pump as a classic liquidity trap. Rover expects Bitcoin could briefly reach $81,000 to hunt liquidity, but he continues to hold his short position. Benjamin Cowen analyzes the current rally through historical patterns from 2018 and 2022. He warns that late April and early May could bring renewed weakness to the market. Carl the Moon and Isaac from The Moon Show believe the bottom is already in at $60,000. They see strong potential for a breakout toward $80,000 and beyond. Jason Pizzino warns that we are in the final distribution phase. He says Bitcoin must decisively break above $81,000 to avoid a deeper correction. Round 2. Technical and cycle analysis. CryptoKid calls the current environment a disaster for crypto holders, highlighting fake geopolitical news and major issues with the World Liberty Financial Project. Jebb points to a critical CME gap between $79,500 and $81,000. He warns that filling this gap could create perfect conditions for a market top. Satoshi Stacker highlights the disconnects between headlines and actual data. He expects more pullbacks before any sustainable new all-time high. Round 3. Long-term perspective. Connor Kenny and Tyler Hill present the bearish case. Connor Kenny believes we are only halfway through the bear cycle and is currently taking profits. Tyler Hill warns of a massive liquidation imbalance. A drop to $65,000 could wipe out over $10 billion in long positions. Carl the Moon and Crypto World bring the bullish side. Carl the Moon remains confident in a major melt-up ahead. Crypto World highlights strong institutional inflows into Bitcoin ETFs and sees $86,000 as the next major target. The Trading Parrot asks, what if we are already in a bull market? He targets $90,000 if Bitcoin successfully reclaims key support levels. After 3 intense rounds, the bears presented stronger arguments regarding liquidity traps, cycle weakness, and short-term risks. The bulls, however, showed solid conviction based on institutional inflows and long-term upside potential. The market remains divided. Bears expect more pain ahead, while bulls are preparing for the next significant rally. Now it's your turn. Who do you agree with? Drop your opinion in the comments. If you enjoyed this battle format, please like the video and subscribe for more. New battles drop regularly. Trade responsibly, and I'll see you in the next one.